In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a clip and edit captions in Submagic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your video into Submagic, fine-tune the timing of your captions so they match your audio, and export a polished result that's ready to share. First, open your browser and head to submagic.co. On the homepage, click Sign In. You can log in with Google or use your email, whichever you prefer. Choose the option that matches the account you want connected to your projects. If you're using email, make sure you have access to that inbox. Keep your credentials private and only enter them on the official site. Once you're in, go to the Clip Videos area and click Upload Video. A file picker will open so you can select your video from your device. Choose the clip you want to work on. Shorter, well-trimmed clips upload faster and are easier to caption precisely, but any supported format will work. If your file is large, give it a moment and avoid switching networks mid-upload. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see progress indicators as the file moves to the platform. Keep the browser tab open until the upload completes to prevent interruptions. When your video is ready, click Edit Captions. Now choose your language. Pick the primary language spoken in your video. This helps the system present captions in the right context and characters. After that, look for the Edit Captions option beside the Style area and click it to open the detailed editor. In the editor, click on any caption segment to adjust its timing. You can manually set the start time so the text appears exactly when the words begin, and adjust the end time so the caption disappears as the phrase finishes. Make small, precise changes and watch how the captions line up with the audio and mouth movements. Aim for natural readability. Captions should appear slightly before the words are spoken and remain on screen long enough to be read comfortably without lingering into the next line. Keep sentences intact when possible and avoid overlapping segments that can make the text hard to follow. If a line feels rushed, extend the end time a touch. If it lingers, trim it back. When you're satisfied with the timing across your clip, click Export. This finalizes your edited captions with the video. Give it a moment to process, and you'll have a clean, synchronized result ready for your next step. That's it. Upload, edit, fine-tune, and export. You're all set to create clear, professional captioned videos with Submagic.